So let's talk about finishing. Basic finish.
Yep, just like this one.
Yeah. And then wrinkle-free, that's the ammonium.
There's different levels. So wrinkle-free, easy care, iron-free, or something like this. That all involves that liquid ammonia process. And so depending on within the international standards of what you want to be, do you want to be complete wrinkle-free? Do you want to be easy care? That's going to relate to your DP rating. And so a DP rating is your durable press rating. And so based on the finish, do you want to have very low maintenance, or do you want to have a little bit of maintenance, but it's not going to be as complete disaster as 100% cotton, regular finish? That stuff is going to wrinkle once you put it through the wash one time, if there's nothing else added to the finish other than regular. So that's what wrinkle-free, what easy care is. It's the level of how much maintenance do you want to have for your fabric post-purchasing and after the first wash.
Antibacterial, do you know much about that? What is the chemical that they add?
The main purpose of that is it's a specific chemical add-on. It's going to help with your any odors and any type of industrial. We see a lot of this within the medical garments, medical scrubs. They want to have that odor-free. The chemical, I'm not as aware of what that specific is, but it's to be able to help with that odor.
What do you know about soil release?
Soil release, it's just, how well are we able to be resistant to stains? Sometimes you also have different finishes that could be resistance to blood, to spills. Again, a lot of which is in the medical garment industry.
Tell me, what do you think is mechanical stretch? What do they mean by mechanical stretch?
That is taking your fabric and being able to stretch it to have it more area.
To increase the width and then apply heat so that then the yarns just stabilize in that width. Or sometimes, to me, mechanical stretch is like adding spandex. I mean, when you add spandex, then, like the fabric stretches like this, the stretch is very little. But if you were to add spandex either in the warp or the weft direction, all of a sudden the fabric will stretch a lot.
Yeah.
So, but I'm not sure if this mechanical stretch is more of a chemical application.
I think it's more of a physical change that we do to the fabric, not chemical.
Micro-peach, that has to do with the surface.
Yeah, so you see that a lot with these flannels. I don't know if we have an example. I'll just do this real quick. Yeah. This is your flannel fabric. Both sides are brushed. So a peaching is taking, an actual physical abrasion to the fabric.
Right.
And it creates that soft, that traditional flannel feel that you have. And you can either have a one side or a two side peach.
UV cut. You know anything about that?
UV protection, that's mainly for fabrics are going to be used for industrial outerwear, but there's different grades that, depending on your country of origin, it has to be able to resist the sun to specific levels, and we can apply those finishes to our fabric to meet those standards.
Thanks for watching to the end. Would you like to produce your product in Vietnam? My team and I offer consulting, factory introductions, factory tours, and production from A to Z. In short, we are scouts for hire. Contact us today at vietnamfactorytours.com. Welcome to Vietnam.